Hello traders, today is 11th of December, Wednesday 2019, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with a live RD sky support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We had this analysis at the Asian session analysis. We had such a beautiful ride yesterday on cable and pound pairs. As you can see, we announced that look for the breakouts for the counter trade because the price was at the oversold zone. As you can see, the price nicely broken and beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA, we mentioned it's time to consider banking some pips or moving stop loss at the break even on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar pretty straightforward. We mentioned this is the small consolidation. Look for the breakout. As you can see, price nicely broken and hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar. New Zealand US dollar, as you can see, based on this again, this was the analysis made at the yesterday we made it, and today just at the Asian session we added this pullback and we banked some good profit. As you can see, as soon as the price hit to the support level and 200 EMA, we banked such a beautiful pips on Kiwi dollar. Beautiful short trade. As mentioned, based on the momentum, we were expecting a short pullback. Price nicely respected after the breakout. Pound yen pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis just before London Open, around you can see around 7 a.m. GMT. We did this analysis to look for the breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we consider banking some pips and made such a beautiful pips on pound yen this morning. And pound Swiss franc pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, we banked some profit previously in previous analysis, and we announced another price develop another pattern. We took another short trade. As soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band, you can see it. We mentioned to bank because and also supported by the support level. At that time, we mentioned to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. Another short trade on pound Swiss franc. Aussie dollar pretty straightforward. We mentioned through live RD commentary. The first priority we should be looking at pullback short. As you can see, the momentum was decreasing, bearish momentum, and the price was stay above the 200 EMA, and that's give us the significant. And we mentioned that if the price gonna break that one, because first of all it's broken the previous recent high, that's count as a false breakout. You can see it because price nicely broken and could not respect. If we didn't see any candle, as soon as we see any another bullish candle, we announced through live RD commentary, look for another long trade on Aussie dollar. Beautiful long trade on Aussie dollar, and eventually the price hit to this green fib channel. Bank has such a good pips on Aussie dollar today. Euro yen pretty straightforward, and we mentioned this. We had this ride yesterday, and today morning just before London Open, you mentioned to look for the pullback at this level. As you can see, the price nicely pulled back and hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade. Euro yen, Euro USD pretty straightforward. We had this breakout yesterday, and afterwards today we were expecting another pullback. Price nicely developed another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, we mentioned it's time to bank some profit. Beautiful long trade on USD. Pound yen, as we mentioned, we had this short trade, bank some profit, and after that we said, okay, just wait to price develop a pattern. As you can see, the price nicely developed a pattern as mentioned on the analysis here, and we mentioned to safest trade would be the breakout of this 200 EMA. Based on the momentum, we had it one trade, and we also announced to look for another pullback long as soon as the price is going to be breaking above the recent high. We had two beautiful long trade on pound yen today. And pound Swiss franc, as I mentioned, we had the short trade, bank some profit. As you can see, as soon as we bank some profit, price reverse, we said, okay, now we need to wait for another valid pattern, so we can see the price develop another beautiful triangle pattern at this level, and price broken and retest. That's give us the confirmation. If you look at the bottom, the momentum was bullish, and we mentioned now we should be looking any pullback while a technical reason. We announced this pullback, price nicely hit to the EMA and another EMA, right? So, but we took like 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful position, and we announced to bank some profit through 4 hour analysis. We mentioned the price almost hit to the resistance level, which is the final target of the from here. This is the first, second, and the final target. Beautiful long positions we had it today on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. If you look at the price develop another pattern based on the analysis, we took a long trade and we announced another long trade just at the New York session, and price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade, pound dollar, euro pound. If you look at very carefully, we mentioned pull back long if we haven't seen any blue, red, green candle here. So as soon as the price broken, and if you look at this yellow dot, the price retest, that's give us the confirmation. We mentioned through live RD commentary to bank some profit as soon as the price hit to the support level and first target, that's the blue fib channel. So beautiful short trade, another one on euro pound. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all these analyses live in real time and with the live audio support, where you can ask questions to analysts instantly on the right time, feel free to join our professional traders community. You will find more information in the video description. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Bye bye.